Hello everyone, welcome to today's lectures on the hot dipping method of the galvanizings. I am Dr. Lina Khandare, and in this video we will understand the definition, principle, method, process as well as the applications of the galvanizings. So move towards the what is meant by the galvanizings. So the galvanizing is the process of coating ions or the steels with the thin layer of the zinc, and this zinc coating is protect ions from the rusting and the corrosions. So this zinc is more reactive than the ions, so it's corrodes first and protect the ions by the sacrificial actions. So more the protections efforts by the galvanization is based on the two mechanisms. First is the barrier protections. So the zinc is layered from a physical barrier that prevents the air and the moisture from reaching the iron's surface, and the second one is the sacrificial protections. And even if the zinc is coating is damaged, zinc corrode first because it is a more electropositive than the ions, thereby the protections of the ions is the underneath. So then move towards the galvanizations methods. So the galvanizations can be carried out by using the different methods, and this included the hot dipping methods, electrogalvanization and the spray galvanizations. Among these methods, the deep method, hot dipping method is the most commonly used industrial method because it provides the strong and the long lasting protections. So we can move towards the hot dipping method of the galvanizations. Let us now understand the hot dipping method of the galvanizations step by steps. Firstly, a steel article is cleaned using the dilute sulfuric acids to remove the rust and the grease. Then it is washed with the water and the dried it. Next, the article is immersed into the molten zinc maintained at the temperatures at 425 to 450 degrees Celsius. The surface of this molten zinc is covered with the flux such as the ammonium chlorides, which is prevents from the oxidations. After removing this article is passed through the roller and obtain the uniform zinc coating and remove the excess zinc. And finally, the coated article is cooled slowly. So this is the process for the galvanizations. And finally, we can move towards the applications of these galvanizations. So the galvanizations is widely used, the mainly the application such as the roofing sheets, water pipes, electric poles and automobiles parts also. So it is specially useful for the materials exposed to the outdoor and the humid environments, whereas a corrosion is serves. So, so it is important to note that here the galvanization ions, that is the galvanized iron, should not be used to store the food, and this is because the zinc is react with this with the food and that form the poisonous products, so which are the harmful to our health.